Click on the link below to get price. The 1¼ carat GIA certified solitaire diamond stud earrings in a round brilliant shape are a stunning addition to any jewelry collection. Upon unboxing, the first thing that strikes you is the brilliant sparkle of the diamonds, which are expertly cut to maximize their fire and brilliance. The GIA certification adds an invaluable layer of credibility, ensuring that the diamonds are of high quality, with excellent clarity and color ratings that reflect their true beauty. The solitaire design is timeless, offering an elegant and understated aesthetic that pairs well with both casual and formal attire. The round brilliant shape, known for its superior light performance, creates a mesmerizing play of light that catches the eye from every angle. At 1¼ carats, these earrings are substantial enough to make a statement without being overly ostentatious. The craftsmanship of these earrings is commendable. They are set in a secure 4-prong setting that not only showcases the diamonds beautifully but also provides durability for everyday wear. Additionally, the quality of the metal, likely a hypoallergenic white gold or platinum, enhances the overall allure while ensuring comfort for sensitive skin. One of the standout features is their versatility. Whether you're dressing up for a gala or adding a touch of elegance to your everyday look, these earrings fit seamlessly into any occasion. They also make for an exceptional gift, symbolizing love and commitment, perfect for anniversaries, weddings, or special milestones. While the price point reflects their premium nature and quality, investing in these GIA-certified diamond studs is worthwhile for anyone looking to elevate their jewelry collection. In conclusion, the 1¼ carat GIA-certified solitaire diamond stud earrings are a perfect blend of beauty, quality, and timelessness, making them a must-have piece for both new and seasoned jewelry enthusiasts. Their brilliance and craftsmanship ensure they will be cherished for years to come.